Hi there, students. Premier or premiere? Okay, there's a difference in meaning. I think if you speak French, this is probably easy. Premier is normally an adjective. It means the best, the most important. So he's one of Britain's premier artists. He was one of the UK's premier classicists. We stayed at one of London's premier hotels. My team now plays in the Premier League. Okay, so the best, the most important. Or also the Premier, the leader of the government, the leader of the country, so the Prime Minister. So Mr. Biden is the Premier of the United States. He's the President. And then premiere is a noun. It means the first public performance of something, particularly of a play or a film or an opera, or I guess it could be of a piece of music as well. So the world premiere of this film will be in Leicester Square on Saturday morning. The world premiere of this opera will be at La Scala next week. So premiere, a show, a film, a premiere, the first public performance, as a verb to premiere as well. The film will premiere this weekend. The play was premiered last week. So the first public showing of something, a television program or other entertainment as well. So this is the premiere of my favourite show. The premiere is the first time that it is shown. So premier, stress at the beginning, premiere, stress at the end. So premier, the leader of the government, or the premiere, the first time it's shown. Premier, the most important, the best. He was one of the world's premier authorities on the English language. The video will premiere tomorrow night. He is the Premier of Ontario, the leader of the government. Premiere, the first time something is shown. The first performance of a theatrical work or a film. To give the first performance of. The film premiered in the Haymarket Theatre. This play is by one of Britain's premier playwrights. Premier. Okay, the play will be premiered next week. This is Britain's premier rock band. The premiere is the first performance, the first time it takes place. The world premiere of his new play. Tickets for the premiere are almost unobtainable. The world premiere will be held next week. Premier, first in position. The Prime Minister. The Prime Minister has the premiership. The premier quality. The premiere, the first performance, the first time it's shown. So the Premier League, the premiere is the performance. So premier, first or highest quality, highest degree, and it's an adjective. Or the premier, the head of government. and then the premiere, the first showing, the first episode of a television show, the first of a series of narratives. Okay, and so, sorry, the premiere, the first showing of this. Okay, so premiere. Premier, the Premier League, 5 informality, use anywhere. Premier, 5.5, maybe 6 informality, but use anywhere as well. So Premier and Premiere.